Tesla just announced a price cut of up to 5% for the Model Y and Model 3 in Singapore. Let's talk about that. Let's start with Model Y. The Model Y has seen a price reduction of up to 4.5%. The rear-wheel drive's list price before taxes and COE is now down from 92,000 to 88,000. The performance version is now down from 111,000 to 106k. Now let's talk about Model 3. The list price before taxes and COE are down by 5%. For the rear-wheel drive, the price is now down from 80k to 76k. For the performance version, the price is now down from 100k to 95k. Now in Singapore, we pay a lot of taxes for cars. So here's a table showing you the final consumer prices after taxes and COE. In our country, because of government policy, we pay up to 2/3 of a car's final price in taxes. Why is Tesla cutting prices? Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Over the past 3 years, Tesla had raised prices gradually because of COVID-related supply chain pressures. Now that some raw material prices like lithium is coming down, Tesla is able to pass the cost savings directly to you, the consumer. Tesla sells directly with no third parties, no dealerships, which means you also get direct manufacturer support. On top of the lower upfront costs, Teslas, like all EVs, have a lower maintenance cost. There is no need to service so many other parts like spark plugs, transmission fluid, or the engine. With rising COE prices, which are now at an all-time high, I believe that this is a positive step for EV adoption in Singapore. You can test drive a Tesla in Singapore by going to tesla.com/drive, and you'll find a link in the video description. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Hit subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla.